Okay guys, here's another tool haul from an estate sale, Phoenix, Arizona. Let's see, April 15th, 2023. Okay, we got right there a Mac Tools pass-through socket set, ratchet. Craftsman socket sets, metric and SAE. Hoarder and 3/8 drives. Got an old Craftsman fiberglass handle hammer. Got some finishers pouches, pencil pouch. Everybody's favorite, the pocket socket. Here's a real gem I haven't seen in a long time. Brand new 10-piece SAE 6-point wrench set. There's an old, never seen this before either, acrylic circular level. And we got some super grip speed wrenches. I'm gonna put a little pause on and get out more.